penalty. We are not here today, and I would ask no witness to speak to the issue of the death penalty. The fact that the death penalty was used speaks to the gravity of the issue. This pretty clear-cut violation of one's Fifth Amendment rights has occurred here, and the person was executed because their Fifth Amendment rights were denied. That's the issue at hand today.
The main thing is she didn't afford this man due process. And he may be the guiltiest person that ever lived, but we still need to observe, more for our sakes than for his, the due process of law.
You as the legislature are uniquely positioned to reinstill the respect that the public should have for our system of justice. Former United States Supreme Court Justice William Rehnquist wrote a wonderful book on impeachment, which I recommend to the committee, called Grand Inquests. And he made one point that I think is pertinent, and I'd like to quote. He said this: "The framers of the Constitution placed the trial of impeachment not in any court, but in the United States Senate." Alexander Hamilton, writing in Federalist number 65, justified the action of the framers in these words: "Where else could be found a tribunal sufficiently dignified, sufficiently independent? What other body would be likely to feel confident enough in its own situation to preserve unawed and uninfluenced the necessary impartiality between the individual accused and the representatives of the people, his accuser?" You speak with a gravitas and authority that no other entity in Texas speaks with, because you are the elected representatives, and the commission will not speak with that. Our system has been attacked, our system has been held up to ridicule, it's been undermined, and you can restore that dignity.
The justice should not be a 9 a.m. to a 5 p.m. thing. It should be a thing that everybody should get a fair chance. Even those who we deem to be the worst of the worst, they still deserve to get a fair hearing in our criminal justice system. Thank you.